Question number 28. In this question, a particle proton, a charged particle proton, that is moving in a particular region where electric field and magnetic field both are present. But the given situation is कि इसमें शुरू में पार्टिकल रेस्ट में है और बाद में वो मोशन में आया है. सो हमें सबसे पहले इसमें साइन कन्वेंशन देखना पड़ेगा. डायरेक्शंस का कन्वेंशन में क्या ले रहा हूं इसके अंदर. डायरेक्शन का कन्वेंशन इस तरह से है, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. एंड डेफिनेटली दिस इज योर प्लस एक्स एक्सिस, this is minus x axis, this is plus y and this is minus y. डायरेक्शन के बारे में ये कन्वेंशन लेकर के फॉलो कर रहे हैं इसको. ठीक है, जरा देखते हैं क्या हो गया इसमें. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, प्रोवाइडेड दैट प्रोटॉन इज एट रेस्ट इनिशियली, सो प्रोटॉन एट रेस्ट, सो magnetic force that is 0. So only force is electric force, that is QE vector. So what I am getting? I am getting MA naught minus I cap, that is E vector. So the relation I am getting is E vector, that is MA naught upon E minus I cap. So electric field in the form of vector form, this I am getting. So the physical meaning is value of electric field is M A naught upon E, and definitely minus I naught. Minus I naught means it is towards west direction, towards west. First thing. Second thing, after this situation, when proton is projected in north direction, then definitely electric force and magnetic force both are acting on the particle. So the net acceleration of particle is 3a naught towards west direction. So definitely electric force, magnetic force, the net force will be low range force. So definitely we should go for low range force this time. So what I am getting? Low range force, that will be electric force plus magnetic force. So according to the situation, 3m a naught minus I, this is m a naught minus I plus fm, that will be fm vector. अभी इसको ऐसा लिखते हैं. So here what I am getting, that is fm vector I am getting is 2 minus 2m, या इसको भी ऐसा लिख सकते हैं 2m a naught minus I. So the only magnetic force is 2m a naught, and that is in minus I direction. So according to this, now we have to use the vector formula of magnetic force. Vector formula of magnetic force, that is Q V cross B. So according to that, E V cross, initial velocity is north direction. So in north direction there should be the plus J cap. So we are getting J cap here, cross magnetic field ka value and B cap. Here it should be 2m a naught minus I. So if we manage this equation, then definitely what I am getting, we can manage this equation. I am getting E V naught B J cap cross B cap. E V naught B J cap cross B cap, and that should be equal to 2m naught A minus I cap. So if we equate both the sides, then I am getting, first of thing I am getting, if we equate the values only, so EV naught B, that is 2m naught A naught, 2m A naught. I am getting this one. So value of magnetic field is 2m A naught upon EV naught. This is the value of magnetic field available. Second thing, हमें उसका डायरेक्शन भी चाहिए. डायरेक्शन के लिए क्या देख सकते हैं? J cap cross B cap, that should be minus I cap. We know J cross K, that provides plus I, and what we want? Minus I. So definitely B cap should be minus K cap. B cap should be minus K cap, and minus K cap means that should be, this is plus X, this is plus Y, so minus K cap, that should be minus that direction, and that definitely that shit is downward direction. Minus K cap, that means what? Downward direction. So in that space, electric field value is ma0 upon E, and that is towards west, and the magnetic field value is 2ma0 upon EV0, and definitely this magnetic field is available in downward direction. This detail is provided in option second. So definitely answer for this question is second option. Thank you.